Welcome to another video from drlock.com.au. We're going to show you the reversing tool. Here is your typical lock cylinder. Because this is a locksmith only video, we're going to show it to you and we're going to show you how to do it. But we're not actually going to show you how to actually pick the lock. What we're going to do is we're going to show you the reversing tool we're actually selling. So here it is here, opening up. Of course it's brand new and sealed plastic. I'll just open that up there. Okay, that's the reversing tool right there. I've actually picked this cylinder previously, you can see it there. Now the problem is that I've picked it to the wrong side. Point of being the reversing tool, we need to now spin it to the opposite side to open the lock. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this around. One, that's quite tight there, that might work. I'm just going to show you how to use this. Right to the top of the brooch and across to the other side. As you can see now, it's on the other side. Turn it around a little bit more and I'm going to reverse it back the other way. Around the other way. Now I want the key cylinder to be facing down, so oh, there we are. It's facing the other way. Reversing tool, we sell it in our lock shop just to show you this is not a fake cylinder. Lock it back in. It's not moving. It's not moving at all. Not moving. Keys. Turning. Very quick. Made of spring steel. Die cast, aluminium, all the usual things. Reversing tool available at drlock.com.au. We sell to security professionals only, so if you would like to buy this particular tool and you are a locksmith, we have them on sale. They're not particularly expensive, but they're extremely handy and very functional. Thanks for watching.